Hey, it's Clay. In this video chart on Ripple, we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but Ripple, like many of the other cryptos out there, has been on a very nice move here over the past few days. So the question going forward really becomes, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is there some genuine power behind this, or what's going on? And I don't know, but there's good news here with the charting perspective. There's a good level to watch, and that is right here at 40 cents. Why is 40 cents important? Well, let's use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching the video 15 hours from now. Question number one to ask yourself is, where is the price above 40? If you are answering the question that the price is down below 40, I'm not saying you will be, but let's just pretend you are. What would that be telling you about the chart? That would be telling you that now all of a sudden the price is right back inside of that area that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say on the flip side, 15 hours from now, you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, there's been a pullback. But as of right now, as I watch this, the price is sitting right around 40 cents. Well, in that point, think about it. That would still give the price the opportunity to eventually turn itself around, work its way back upwards. But that would give it a low right there. You'd have a low right there, and you'd have a low right there. So if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, big picture-wise, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong movement is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote, that progress point being defined at 40 cents. So I'm not saying that the price has to keep going up. No price can go straight up. Pullbacks happen, but they have to be, healthy pullbacks. And, the definition of healthy being staying up above 40 cents. Now, on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price up above 40 cents, but now the price is up here at, 50 cents. Well, at that point, that would be telling you that not only was this a start of something bigger, but it's actually gotten that much bigger. So very clearly, the movement that I'm talking about right now was indeed true, and it's just gotten that much, the bulls have gained that much more strength. So from that side of things, just use your gut instincts and common sense. But overall, as far as the health is concerned, as of now and going forward, let's just see if the price can make some progress and stay up above that 40-cent mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.